Hamster Kombat just surprised everyone with small allocation after a long while of tax. But no need to worry because if the listing price is high, then definitely that can turn into a huge amount while we are waiting for that very listing coming up very soon in just few hours. In this video, let me show you how you can turn that small sum in allocation into a good amount of money. If you are new to this channel, please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Hamster Kombat's airdrop have finally landed and everyone with different reactions. Some persons are happy, some are angry, while others are feeling like they have a shock in the head. But here is the deal. Your allocation is just one piece of the puzzle. Let me talk about why getting small allocation should not let you down and you should not be that worried about small allocation. It is not all about how many tokens you have right now in your account or that have just landed. What happened when the price hit in the market is very important. With a small allocation and the price skyrocket, you will be laughing at the end of the day, and that is very important as well. So that is one of the things we need to consider while we are waiting for the listing to come. I know definitely that the game of crypto is all about the bigger picture, and Armstar is playing the game very well. Here is what you need to pay attention to and keep your eye on while we're waiting for the listing price. And number one here is the listing price of the token. A good listing price can turn a small bag into a huge gain. What that means is if Armstar lists this very token and the price skyrocket to be very high, your little token can turn out to be a huge gain and you'll be smiling. So there is no need to panic at the moment. And the second thing here is the token release schedule. Now, for the fact that they are not dumping all the token into the market at the same time is a big deal. And it's a smart move for Armstar because if they dump all the token in the market at once or they give you a large quantity of the token, that means the price impact will not be that much. And also, it means that the price will not just skyrocket. And if it do, on the long run, the price will definitely come back to the downside because of the token is released at once into circulation. The next thing is circulating supply. What that means is small supply means high demand, which makes the price to pump in the short and the long term. So what Armstar actually do is very simple, and I like the fact that the supply is being cut. Because if the circulating supply is little, then that means the price will definitely move all the way to the upside, especially in the short and the long term. So small supply mean high demand and mean price is going to increase. So there are also ways to increase your token or stack up your holdings as we are waiting for the listing price, and we are talking about Binance Launchpad. So the Binance Launchpad is what hosts the Binance Launchpool. So you can participate right now on the Binance Launchpool and get a whopping sum of 3 billion Armstar. Okay, and here is the process on which you can get right into the Armstar Binance Launchpool as we await the listing on the 26th of this very month, few hours from now. The first thing here is to register and verify your Binance account, and then the next thing is you head straight to the Launchpad section. You will see Armstar right there. Look for Hamster Kombat, and then you stake your BNB, your FDUSD or USDT and participate right away and wait till the end of the pool. The 15th year is when you successfully do that, you wait for the end of the pool when Binance is going to release the token to all those that participated in the launch pool. Bybit also have their own Hamster Kombat party, and this is very important, and doing a whopping giveaway of 620,000 Hamster tokens, and this is how you can also participate, especially if you are new to Bybit. So quickly you do a quick sign up and then complete very little tasks after verifying your account, and then take a trade of 1000 USDT on the spot market. I know this sounds a lot, but you can do a quick buy and sell, and that will not have a very high price impact. That is, you can have a very little price impact just for them to capture that buy and sell tab with a $1,000, which is also very significant. Some person might be thinking, why should I get more token when my allocation is very, very small? But here is the deal. In crypto, the number is very, very important. So the more token you can stack into your portfolio right now, mean when the token begin to shoot up, you will be in the position of having much gain than others. So if you have a $1,000 or you have BNB you're holding for long time, you can jump right into Binance Launchpool and participate right away while you are still holding your BNB for long time. Or if you have USDT that you are not using or you want to use to buy a token, you can first of all participate in this very campaign, and afterward you use it to do what you want to do at the end of the campaign. And this is also very important. So these are the way you can stack your coins, that is your Hamster token, while we are waiting for the listing to come on the 26th of this month of September, just few hours from now. Here is another important thing you need to know. None of these are financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. I am just giving my opinion as a crypto enthusiast and also a developer. The crypto market is very, very unpredictable, and anything can happen at any time. So what you have to do is to do your own research carefully, you invest carefully, and always invest what you can afford to lose. So if you believe in the Hamster Kombat ecosystem, keep your eye on the announcement platform and the group for more exciting information. I strongly believe that Armstar is going to come up with more exciting information and news, because if you check season 2, it's already out. And if you look at the whole system of this play to earn ecosystem, you discover that Armstar is one of those platforms that have this uniqueness where the game is still ongoing, or the game will still continue even after listing. So you have to take it very, very seriously. So let's wait for the listing on the 26th of this very month of September, just very few days from now, for the listing to come into play. And I will be doing a live podcast on this very channel to look at the listing price on chain and in the market live. So don't forget to join me on this very channel. It will be a YouTube live. Stay tuned and let's wait for something amazing from the Hamster Kombat team. And I will not forget to congratulate those that get the token no matter how little it is. So pay attention to all of this. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. Thanks for watching.